My stepdaughter Friday come Friday morning reach the hospital.
Yeah.
Release him, mother.
So when my cousin got to Jamaica to relieve my aunt from the hospital, because when she landed in Montego Bay, she landed after 2 in Montego Bay. From Montego Bay to Mandeville is like a 3 hours drive. She went straight to Mandeville so she could relieve my auntie so she could go home from the hospital. That was Friday night. So she got to the hospital around after 7 p.m.
A major discrepancy in timeline. Who should we believe? The uncle or Shanique? Watch the entire video.
Stepdaughter Friday come Friday morning reach the hospital.
Yeah.
Release him, mother.
I'm Shelly, and Kami is my cousin, and everything that she is saying is correct.
So when my cousin got to Jamaica to relieve my aunt from the hospital, because when she landed in Montego Bay, she landed after 2 in Montego Bay. From Montego Bay to Mandeville is like a 3 hours drive. She went straight to Mandeville so she could relieve my auntie so she could go home.
But me carry the bunch of key go give Shanique in her hand right down at
No, me know in the morning.
yeah, down at what I know, we don't at Train Pharmacy.
Right?
That's what time.
Very sincere.
As me tell you, say
Early in the morning.
about 9 o'clock or so. Shanique and her friend named Tommy we live in our area so. Was poetry at the same time. Go freshen up because you know carry no clothes for firing. So he just go as poetry up the tell about me wife boss.
Comparing
Yeah,
words,
what about
right?
what time?
You know, I really remember time like that, no matter early morning. Early morning, Patrick.
No, what we talk about the time now when Jayden supposed to be at school. Yes, until him got the local fast food place. Yes, and at that time you now were on the road.
Yes.
Hustling. Yes, and so that's a
Friday
now.
morning.
But where were Shanique at the time?
Shanique and Tommy, that's
At that
poetry.
time.
Yes, that's
That's
poetry.
after 9 in
Yeah,
the
but the
morning.
thing now, no. Oh, you don't know so that's spiritual like that people will ask.
Me,
You just have to ask people.
yeah, me understand what you say. But me carry the bunch of key go give Shanique in her hand right down at
No, me know in the morning.
yeah, down at what I know, we don't at Train Pharmacy.
That's at what time?
As me tell you, say
Early in the morning.
about 9 o'clock or so.
Alright, so now, 9 o'clock now, after certain hours,
Yeah, of course. But my wife and them are still in the hospital with she.
with Shanique.
Yes.
Alright. So, and then after your wife left the hospital with Shanique now.
No man, when Shanique got the hospital, we were there. When Shanique walked in, I was going to buy a soup down at the hospital something.
So that's at what time Shanique walked in?
Shanique walk in, I will tell you the time now really at the
So what time you would have said you reached at the hospital?
Richard Hospital maybe about say, you don't want to tell no like, I tell you say, in the evening, rain did a fall.
What after 7?
No man, no man, earlier that man, maybe about say in the, about, cause school on Friday little over 1:30.
Yeah.
So maybe about say, anyway after them the hours there.
After 1:30 you reach hospital.
No man, we reach school, hospital maybe about say, 3 o'clock the hours, yeah, maybe a little later.
So just the time we try for work. Yes, so Jayden school over 1 o'clock.
No,
What time?
Jayden school over 2:30.
2:30 Jayden school over, right? And then you would have said you reach the school now after, your hospital after 3.
Yes.
Yes, and then after you reach the hospital now, then Shanique come in.
Shanique come right because we don't come.
Just look at that.
Yes. Shanique walk in, she and Tommy.
When she landed in Montego Bay, she landed after 2 in Montego Bay. From Montego Bay to Mandeville is like a 3 hours drive. She went straight to Mandeville so she could relieve my auntie so she could go home.
She walk in at the school,
In the hospital.
in the hospital.
But hospital has no money, can go down the street, go check out in the car.
According to the uncle of Jayden, right? Shanice arrived at the hospital early in the morning to relieve her mom. And then at some point, the uncle dropped Jayden off to the bus stop to catch a cab to school. And then later on, he met up with Shanice and he gave her the keys to the house up in Spurtree around 9 something.